Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. This is a tutorial for a dance by Brandon Zahorsky called Tick Tick Boom. It is a 32 count high improver. It also has 2 tags. And here's something that's kind of interesting about it, is that the dance is short. It only has 7 walls, and 5 of the 7 walls have tags. So when we learn it, I'm going to teach the dance. I'll only dance it probably with you at a couple walls for practice, and then I'll go right into explaining the tags and how they work. Also, if you notice in the description underneath my video, I always put the step sheet in there. It's always there. And I will make sure that in my notes, I make it clear where the tags go, what walls, etc. Okay? So that way when I am explaining it here and your brain's exploding, it will make more sense. Okay, so I'm going to turn around. Here we go. The dance actually begins with a tag, but I'm going to show you the 32 counts of the dance itself, not the tag. First thing you do is you're going to stomp your right foot out, stomp, hold, and a sailor step behind, side, open. You do that again. Stomp, hold, sailor, back, side, open. So that counts as a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Your second count of the 8, we're going to change walls, crossing behind on 1, quarter turn left foot forward, forward on the right, quarter turn on the left. Now you are weighted on your left at 6 o'clock. Cross your right foot over, point your left to the side, step forward on your left, and touch your right toe next to it. I'll do that count, that 8 with counts, and I'll flip walls so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so you've just done your sailor step. You're weighted on your left. You're going to cross behind on 1, quarter turn forward, 2, step forward, 3, quarter turn side, 4. Cross your right foot, 5, point left, 6, step forward, 7, tap, 8. Let's see, let me do it on the side, this way, back and forth, and maybe you can see the counts a little bit. I think, we'll see. So if we're doing it, we go side 1, forward 2, forward 3, side 4, cross 5, point 6, forward 7, tap 8. So I'm going to put those 2 8s together, starting at our 12 o'clock walk. 7, 8, stomp 1, hold 2, sailor 3, and 4, stomp 5, hold 6, 7, cross behind, go 1, forward 2, forward 3, quarter 4, cross and 6, 7, touch 8. You're now at your 6 o'clock wall, facing the back. I'll stay here to teach it, and I'll flip it. Moving backwards, step back on your right, 1, and you're going to hitch your left foot up, 2. Step back on your left, 3, hitch, 4. Right foot's going to take a coaster step back, step together, step forward, and a shuffle forward, step together, step. Again, we have 1 hitch, 2, 3 hitch, 4, 5 and 6 coaster, 7 and 8. Turn my back so you can see that. And when you do the hitch when you're dancing, if it ends up popping a little bit, you'll hear it with the music. Feels kind of natural. Okay? So the right foot goes back. 1 hitch, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, that will be at your 6 o'clock wall. Okay? So finishing the dance off, we've just gone to shuffle forward on the left foot. From here, you're going to step on your right foot like a rock recover. Forward rock, recover, follow your right shoulder and step side, quarter turn, side, cross. This is going to be your new wall. And step your right foot out and give me a triple hip bump to the right, right, and then shift it to the left and do the same, left, right, left. That's 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so we're at 6, we're shuffled on our left foot, step forward on your right foot, step right, rock back left, step quarter turn right, cross it over, bump and bump, bump and bump. With my back to you so you can see that foot, it's just right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That's the whole meat of the dance, if you will. That's all there is to it without the tags. So I'm going to teach, we're going to do it nice and easy, and we'll do it full out at 2 walls. Okay? Here we go. 6, 7, 8, stomp 1, hold 2, 3 and 4 again, 5, 6, 7, cross behind, and go side, quarter, forward, cross, step and point, 6, step and touch, 7 and 8. Step and hitch 2, 3, 4, coaster 5 and 6, shuffle 7 and 8, go right, left, 3, cross 4, bump 5, 6, let's start it again. Go stomp, hold, sailor step, stomp, hold, sailor step, cross 1, forward 2, forward 3, quarter 4, 5, 6, step and touch, back it up with a step, hitch, coaster step, shuffle front, rock, recover, quarter, cross, bump it out, okay? So that's, as I said, the 32 counts of the dance. Now, there are 2 tags. The first tag is 4 whole counts, and that's the one that goes with the title, Tick, Tick, Boom. Actually, I lied, that's the second tag, all right? Put it in the wrong order because it starts with that. Tag 1 is actually, put my back to you, you take a little right, left, forward, and this has a whole lot of room just to style. So you're going to jump it forward, and 1, 2, and it's supposed to be like a little upper body wiggle and shake. And then you take it back, right, left, and a little booty shake. And you can stylize that to what works good with you. Then you step to the side on your right and give a little heel tap. And here, and do the same thing, wiggle and shake. And here, and wiggle and shake. And the way that counts is, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, take it back. 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. That's tag 1, yeah? Tag 2 is your arm, and it makes the movement of the clock. And it's going to look, well, turn my back and you'll be able to see it. I'll do it facing you for a minute so you can see it. It's my right arm, your right arm, so I'm not mirroring you right now. You're going to have the counts go 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 1 with the music is silent. You'll hear tick, tick, boom. So if we're counting, it would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tick, tick, boom. I think the first time I did it, I actually did it wrong. So does that make sense? So if it's your right arm, I'm going to kind of turn on an angle so you can see it. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 3, your right arm is on top of your left, and on 4, you just pull it apart. And that's your boom. Tick, tick, boom. That is tag 2. Okay? So you have tag 1 and tag 2. Question is, where do they go? So the very first time you dance at wall 1, there are no tags. You dance 32 counts, which gets you to here. At your second wall, you're going to dance 16 counts, which will get you to here, to half a turn. And you do both tag 1 and tag 2. So if we're standing here, dance with me 16 counts. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, sailor 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second 8, 2, 3, 4. Cross and point step forward. Here we go. Tag 1, 2, wiggle 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Heel out. 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and tick, tick, boom, 1. And the dance starts again. This is now your third wall. You dance the full thing again, which will get you back to 12. You're never going to remember this, but I'm going through it anyway. So now, you're here to dance at the 4th time. You dance 16 again. You get to here. You tag 1, but only tag 1, not tag 1 and 2. So I go to here, I'm here, and I do my tag, da-da-da-dum, bump, ba-da-da-da-dum, bump, ba-da-da-da-dum, bump, ba-da-da-da-dum. And I'm here, I start the dance again. This time, I'm going to dance 28 counts, which means I end up leaving out this, and instead do that. Okay? Yeah. You dance it again, 32, and you do tag 1, and I think you're at 12 o'clock when you do that, bump. And then the very last time, you only dance 28 again, and you do tag 2, tick, tick, boom, when you're facing the front. Okay? Now, that last one, the thing is, you'll be facing the back wall when you're doing the part of the dance of the last count where you would need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and bump. That bump stays out, and instead of going cross, rock, quarter, you go rock, recover, half here, and then your tick, tick, boom is at this wall. I know that's so much information and it's just like that, and I agree with you. But the best thing I can do is just kind of throw that at you, write it in the description, and then you can follow along when we do it. And hopefully I won't make any mistakes. That would be good. No promises. So it's that last one that it changes. Instead of doing rock, recover, quarter, rock, recover, half. So you're facing here for the last tick, tick, boom. And then that's where it ends. And as I said, the dance is really short. There are only 7 rotations. And only at wall 1 and wall 3, no tag at all. Okay? So we're going to go for it. We'll do the very best that we can. And I'm going to turn around, of course, and start with the music. Here we go. Woo! 32 counts. I didn't tell you, it starts with tick, tick, boom. Like this. It goes here, tick, tick, boom. I'll go over that after. Step tap. Back it up. Coaster shuffle. Quarter turn and bump. Start it again. Cross behind us is 16. Tag 1.
We be just serving a piece. Working, we serving the streets. About to go, they go in peace.
Tag 2.
Leave sleep. Tick, tick, boom.
There you go. Now we're going to dance 32 again. Back it up. Coaster. Start it again. 16. Tag 1.
We be just serving a piece. Working, we serving the streets.
Only tag 1.
Bang, bang.
Start it again. This is going to be 28. 4 counts here. Tick, tick.
Tick, tick, boom.
32. Almost there. Tag 1.
Working, we serving the streets.
Only tag 1.
Go in peace.
Start it again.
Leave sleep.
Now this is going to be the shortened ending. So 28. 4 with a half. Tick, tick.
Tick, tick,
Boom. Okay. So the one thing I didn't tell you, which was not very smart, but I threw it in there. The very beginning of the dance, said it way back when, starts with tag 2, the tick, tick, boom. So you've got your almost 32 count enter. It's like a 28 counts. And it goes into the bump, tick, tick, boom, and the dance starts. Okay? So you start right here, as I did, with a quick tag 1, tag 2. Keep doing that. And then you go through the whole thing. So we made it through. It's such a fun dance. If you're just seeing it for the first time, it is not a new dance. It's been around a little bit. Some of my dancers have been requesting it lately, so I'm adding it to our rotation, which I'm really excited about because it's a lot of fun. So thank you very much for coming to my line dance channel. And if you are not a subscriber, well, why not? Please go ahead and subscribe. Share this video, tell everybody about it, and I really hope that I will see you on the dance floor. Thanks so much.